Thanks for tuning back into InstaPhippsyFishing. This video is back at the bridge, one of my favorite spots in the world to fish. It can really be hit or miss. Normally, if I don't catch a fish in the first, 1 to 3 casts, it's pretty much gonna be a grind. It might take an hour, hour and a half to catch anything. But this was actually one of the best days I've ever had at the bridge. It was a crazy windy day, but probably one of my favorite fishing days of the year. I think I accidentally deleted some footage as well, so there's not as many fish on film as I actually caught, but hopefully you guys still enjoy. Make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate everyone that has so far. Hopefully we can end up at 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we're at 87 right now, so it's definitely doable. So here we go. First cast, it's super, super windy. There we go. Oh, had a bite right away. There we go, he's back. Not sure if it's a pike or a smallie. No way. A nice walleye. What the hell? A beautiful walleye on the chatterbait. Very interesting. This thing's got to be like 15, 16 inches. Just hammered it. Oh, 18 and a half inches. Jesus. It's the third biggest one I've caught all year. Under a bridge on a chatterbait in like 4 feet of water. 1.86 pounds. 18 and a half inches. What an absolute beauty. I lost this chatterbait the other day, so I ordered a new one. Literally my first cast with it. It's super, super windy. I'm gonna eat this guy for dinner. And let's see what happens with cast number 2. I had 2 bites, so there could be a few of them there. Whoa. I don't know what that was. It just attacked right, it like swam onto shore just to bite my lure. Jesus Christ. Literally see the bait, like just had a hit. They're like 3 or 4 inch bait fish, and they're basically swimming up on shore to avoid getting eaten. Like everything just seems to be feeding right now. Something bit right there again, last second. What is going on here? Oh, that looks like a smallie. Oh, baby. Stay pinned. Stay. There we go. That's a nice one. That's got to be close to 3. Oh, baby. Okay, that's what we're here for. That looks decent to me. What a fatty. Oh my God, it's windy. What a gorgeous fish. I'm gonna be optimistic. I'm gonna say 3.1. Dang it, 2.83, you look giant. Okay, 2.83. Not bad. Fish are big around here. I'm so glad I decided to brave this wind. See ya. I've been here maybe 5 or 6 minutes, and I've had about 6 bites on this perch chatterbait with the Yoto worm trailer. And the fish are like coming up onto shore to hit this thing. It's awesome. Oh yeah, what is it now? I think it's a smallie. Oh yeah. Another 2.5 pound smallie. Yeehaw! Gorgeous. This one's a tiny bit smaller than the first one. Still an absolute beautiful fish. Probably 2 1/4. Beautiful. Yow! I didn't expect this much action on such a crappy day. But I am having a blast. Oh yeah, another one. Ooh, I think this is either a pike or a walleye. No, some sort of bass. That is that a little largie? He's so cold I can't. Yeah, that's a little largie. Nice to see you, bud. This is only the second largie I've ever caught at this bridge. Good for you. Little like 1 1/4 pounds, but dang, he feels heavy. See ya. Everything is out today. This is unreal. Been here about 15 minutes now. Got 2 smallies over 2 pounds, about a 2-pound walleye, and then a little 1 1/4 pound largie. All on the same lure. Oh yeah. Who's up next? No, he got off. Shoot. I think it was another small largie. Oh. Something just came up like a foot of, oh, that feels big, whatever it's, or I think that's a snag. Yeah. I was gonna say, that friggin' stopped me in my tracks. Anyways, yeah, fish came like a foot from shore. Took a swipe at it, but missed it. Next cast, huge friggin' snag. I thought it was a massive fish. Come on, one more fish before dark. Right here. Come on. Yep. Nice. Oh, baby. Oh, another big smallie. Ah, you don't look 3 pounds either. They're all about 2.5 though, which, can't be mad about. Damn, they're healthy. First cast on this side. See ya. All right, we got about 10 minutes left of daylight. Time to put on a clinic. Man, this is awesome. Ooh, what is this? Whoa! What the hell? That felt big, whatever the hell it was. Damn it. I really just wanted to see what it was, so I was just trying to like lift it straight out of the water. Dang. It hit different. Ooh. Something else. This one feels like a smallie. I think the other one might have been a big walleye. Wow, this is a dark fish. Whoa, he's fighting hard. Holy smokes. Why are you so much darker than your buddies? Dang, that's a dark fish. Dang, that's a windstorm. All right, we gotta milk this daylight. I feel like that other thing that I lost was a big walleye. Now I'm pissed. Could have been a pike, but kind of felt like a walleye. Something else just hit. Oh, something just like jumped out of the water to try and get it. What? Is this a tornado or like what the hell is going on? All right, Mother Nature, stir them up for me. Oh, yep. What do we got? Another big smallie. Hey, easy. I feel like they're all different colors these days. Like this guy's fins are kind of red. So strong, so healthy. They're just friggin' hammering this thing. That's 3 fish in like the last 10 casts, right before dark. The wind's picked up even more. This is friggin' awesome. I'm just hoping there's at least one fish left here that I haven't caught yet. Doesn't know my trick. Oh, another bite right friggin' there. What is going on? Oh, my hat! What the f is this? Alright, easy does it. Come on, I know you're still hungry. You gotta stop slinging that up into that tree. Alright, I want one other fish other than a smallie. What you got for me? I know I'm getting greedy, but when the fishing's good, what can you do? Oh, jeez. What the Oh my goodness. Are we okay? By we, I mean me. Am I okay? Well, this is probably the craziest windstorm I've ever fished in. Kind of recommend it. Although my fingers are freezing. Okay, gonna try one other bait before I take off. Even though that bait caught like 10 friggin' fish instantly. Give the spinnerbait a quick try. Okay. Bait number 2. Only been here an hour. I've caught like, I don't know. Yeah, maybe 10 fish. I honestly don't know. Yeah, this ain't the bait. Too light to handle those waves. This is it for real. Woo! Oh yeah, what are ya? Come on in. I can barely see you. What are ya? Another decent walleye. Come on. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this thing. Putting my gloves on because it's so friggin' cold. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I've got to weigh it. Storm settled down for 1 sec. I think this has to be over 2 pounds. This is a fatty. Who knows if we can even see anymore? I can, I guess I mean you guys. .09, a friggin' 2-pound walleye. Either the second or third biggest walleye I've caught this year. All right, 2 unexpected walleye for dinner. Yeah, who knows how much else you guys will be able to see, but I'm gonna stay as long as I can see. I've never caught walleye here in my entire life. And now I've caught basically 2 over 2 pounds. Or sorry, 2 2-pounders. One was like 1.83, the other was like 2.09. But just beauty eaters. Big fat bellies on them. I think earlier I had a huge bite from a walleye. All I wanted to do was see it, so I just lifted it straight up like a psycho. And it did not pay off. Okay, let's see how dark it, yeah. I mean, on the GoPro it looks dark. It's not quite that dark, but I guess I would consider this nighttime. Officially night fishing. Almost time to go home. Can barely see anything. Have no idea where I'm casting. Got one. What's it gonna be? A walleye? Yes, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is decent. That could be bigger than the ones the other day. How crazy is that? Walleye on the chatterbait. That is awesome. Oh, easy now. That's a nice looking walleye. That's cool. So how much do you think he weighs? 1.5 pounds? That's gorgeous. You know, I hope to catch walleye, but I'm just never sure. 1.85 pounds. That's a nice eater walleye. Get a quick measurement on him. About 18. Maybe a little more. 18 and a quarter, we'll say. So that's just as big as the one I caught the other day. That is just a beautiful fish. And that was like the 4th cast since we got here. Beauty. Beautiful walleye on the 4th cast on the chatterbait. 1.85 pounds. Oh, just had another bite. That's good. 3 bites so far. Got one. I'm thinking walleye again. Or no, it could be a bass. It's a bass. He just didn't fight until now. Hello. Just a little guy. A little largie on the chatterbait. So we've been here probably less than 5 minutes. Got an almost 19-inch walleye and a cute little largie. Let's watch him go. He's gonna be feisty, I think. Whew. See ya. This might be better for walleye. Ooh. A bunch of perch just freaked out, so maybe we're being chased. Just got the lure back and now I'm snagged again. What a day. There's a few deep holes, so when the water gets shallower in the summer, they just all stack up in there. You can just do circles in it and catch them all day. Yeah, pickerel. This is one of my best summers for pickerel in a long time. Yeah, I like to catch bass and pike for fun and then walleye for eating. Any what, sorry? Yeah, actually, on Wednesday, out of the 10 fish I caught, I think 6 of them were largemouth. And I'd like never catch largemouth up here. Oh, yeah, it was crazy. I came at like close to 6 p.m. I think. And I was just, yeah, I tried to go out on the water, but like it was really scary. Yeah, the biggest largemouth here that I caught was like 2.9 pounds. But I was excited because I never get to catch largemouth. And I probably came here like 15, 20 times all summer and didn't catch any largies. Oh, here's something. Pike. Oh, there we go. Just a little guy, but still excitement. What do we got? Probably a pike. Nice largie. Barely had him hooked. You ready? Wee-hoo. Whoa! Yes! First cast with the cowboy. Man, he ate that. He freaking choked it down there. Holy smokes. Good for you, bud. Oh no, this is going to be quite the surgery. Especially with you being all feisty. I think you'll be alright. Wasn't so bad, was it? Hopefully you guys enjoyed those 2 days of bridge fishing. I'm sure there will be lots more videos at the bridge in the future. It's been a struggle at the bridge as of late. The last 4 times here I've only caught 1 fish. Hopefully that'll change in the spring. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.